Hi everyone, good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. And once again, welcome to and welcome back in my channel today. Hope everybody is doing good and well and enjoying the life. I know I'm late in this race today, but still I think it's my responsibility to be create a small video to help to the community to participate in the Hacktoberfest. Hacktoberfest is a 1 month long event organized by ServiceNow where either a developer, architect, or people like me, BA, BPC, who can participate. I'm going to be discuss about the Hack for Good, where you can submit your idea and then create a pull request, and it will be counted for your Hacktoberfest series as well. Now to proceed further, let me start. So I am here. This is what is the Hacktoberfest. I can say Hack for Good idea submission repository. The first step you have to be do that you have to be fork the repository. So I already fork it, so you can see here. If you want, you can fork it like this. Create a new fork. You can choose a owner. This is what is I my already have, or you can put ServiceNow dev program if you want, or here you can put your repository name. If repository name is available, you will get it. If not, it will provide you that please update this particular part. What is a fork means? Fork means that where you are going to be copy the actual repository in your local systems. So I'm not going to fork it now. I'm going to be come back here. After the fork, what we have to be do, we have to be create the token. So I can go here and click on the settings, and then you can go on the developer settings here. Here you can find the fine grained tokens and generate new token. You can put the token name 347171. I'm putting my instance name. Owner is this. Expiry, I'm putting no expiration as of now. Select repository, that which repository can accessible by this token. So I can say I want to go this one because this is what I just done. So this is what my previous repository, you can see last year we have a plant. So this is what my plant one. This is my latest one where I'm going to be develop the Hack for Good ideas here. Okay. Then the question comes that what permission need to be add. Click here and here search for the content. And in the content, make sure you provide read and write permissions, and then generate tokens. Click on the generate token and copy this token as of now. And now what we have to do, we have to build a connection between ServiceNow and my Git repository. So for this, I will go in my ServiceNow instance. I'm here. Click on this and search for the credentials. Go here in the credentials, click on the new, and I'm going to be do where it is gone, sim doc. I guess it is not Splunk. Let me change. It's a Splunk. This one, not SSH one. Give me a minute. Let me see. If you get confused, if you get stuck somewhere, don't worry. Come back on the repository here. Hack for Good repository. I can say here and click on this one. Go to the contribution file. You can see all the contribution file is here where you it provide that what type of credentials you have to be created. Okay, so now we have to create the credentials. Before that, I'm going to be use the App Engine Studio, so you can see the App Engine Studio imports, and here you will find that what type of credentials we had to be created, even though it's showing that you need to be go to the repository. So what I need to be do, URL branch mid server default. Let me go back here and click on the new. I missed out, I guess, is something called, let me manage my environment marker for a minute. hide label. Yep. Password, auth code, Docker, same basic auths. I guess yes, this is what dev 347171. Username is admin and password. You have to put your token and submit. So this is what is my basic auth is there. Now what we have to do, we have to be go here, App Engine Studio. And now what I will do, I'll be importing my app here. So click on HTTPS. What URL is this? You have to be go to your repository here. And if I say click on your fork repository, click on the code and copy this. Copy this and come back to App Engine Studio and paste it. You can remove the branch as of now, or might be if you want, you can use it. I'm just removing it for the minute. And credential 347171. This is what we just created. And now click on the import app. If everything goes well, the import will be completed and we can see everything available in our App Engine Studio. It means the fork which we have done, everything is coming into my local repository so that I can submit the request here. It's taking time to be complete. Let's wait for a minute. Yep, 99. And it's almost done now. So you can see that it has been completed. Now you can open the application here. Now, if you see, let me come back here and just change the scope to the Hack4Good. Let me refresh it quickly so that I can see the latest one, because otherwise you will not able to submit your idea. So now you can see application scope is Hack4Good is already there. Now what you have to be do, come back here and open dev and put this and at the last H4G. It will open a portal for us where you need to be submit your idea. Click on submit an idea. Very easy to do. All the steps are given very beautifully. And now this particular concept, this particular page or this particular record producer has a multiple fields like project name, describe a statement, challenge, this thing and potential impact. So I already have something copied in my site. So I'm going to be do project name, clothes exchange. Okay. Problem statement. So I have some problem statement here, which I'm going to be copy paste here. Which social or community focus this aligned to? This is mainly for the sustainable part, because if I say that every year around 92 million of ton of textile waste happen because we just use the clothes one or twice and put it in the bin or throw it somewhere, and there is too much wastage. So to overcome this problem, I'm creating this project, and now we have to put what would be the potential impact for technology solution. So I have this one written here, and if you think you want to write more, you can write it here. So it will help save clothes being wasted, allowing kids' clothes to be used by others to exchange instead of being thrown away, and this will help reduce your carbon footprint as well. If you have something more that how you can ideal solution for this problem, you can put it. Might be app can be created. We can do any technical dependency. If you have proposed solutions, I can say no, but this app this app should be available offline as well so that can be used by everyone. Okay, now it's done. If you have think any challenges for this one, you can put it. And one more thing, that what ServiceNow capability you can use, we can use App Engine Studio, we can use kind of a FSM because it's a field service, so people or these things need to be available, or might be CSM portal you can see can be used here. And then if this idea get selected, do you want to proceed further? I said yes. And now Click on the submit. What this means that now I have to be go and commit my changes. Means in my local repository everything has been done, and now I need to be send this to the main repository. So steps are given very beautifully here. Either you can go to the App Engine Studio back and click on the commit changes. If you click on the commit changes, you can see CLOTH close section. Yep. Okay. This has been added. Only one file should be added here, and I can click on the continue. And happy to submit my idea and commit a file. It means now this file is going into the main repository, but we have to be create a pull request so that it can be added there. If you're not sure that how to create a pull request, come back here. You can see open your repository and verify. So this is what is my repository, is not this one. Where it's gone. Okay, this is what my repository, sorry. Yep. So you can see one pull request, not this one, sorry. Now what next you can do, you can click on the create a pull request. If you know that how to do, you can do it from there. Otherwise you can come back and do it from here. So ready to merge. So this is what is my repository, and I'm going to be the main one. So add a title, clothes exchange, and add a description. This idea will help to minimize the clothes wastage and help to improve the environment. Let me go to my best friend here, and my best friend is Mr. ChatGPT to just refine it quickly. Yep. And this I'm coming back here, this, and paste it. If you provide more details, that will be easy for the reviewer to be review it, even though I'm also a reviewer, so I can review. Create pull request, yes, all good. So you can see one file gets changed, only this one. Yep. Happy to be submit my idea. So this is what we have done. This is my idea. So now I'm going to be create a pull request. As soon as the pull request get created, it will go in the background, even though I'm a reviewer. So it will go in my review section here, where a reviewer will pick it up and will see that it is good idea, bad idea, or what, and then can be approved. So this is what I am bringing here. So now if next time you want to be submit an idea, you can do a branch as well. If you need little bit more help, I can say go back here and read the contribution.md file here. Everything has been clearly mentioned, that how to do, what to do. Contributing file is there. Click on this, that how to do this. Impact for idea studios, if you want to be, create a new branch. Even though I missed out this branch, it is wrong practice, but I did now. Then Hack4Good. Good. Until unless you will not get the local repository, you cannot proceed further. Then commit it, then create a pull request. Your ID XML should be there, and things has been added on this particular part. So with this, I hope that you like the video. Please, 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 if you're watching it, submit at least one idea. That will help us as a reviewer, help ServiceNow to build more beautiful products, more useful products for the bigger community as well. Till that time, take care and bye bye, everybody. Thanks.